Oh, nasira.
After ilang years?
10 years.
Oh,
More.
Turkey pa to.
Okay.
Tingnan mo sa Turkey.
Nagpunta kami dito sa Rainbow Valley. Too bad I did not have, anong tawag doon?
We were not...
No, yung evidence. No, wala akong evidence na nag-climb ako ng rock.
Wala ako.
Yung kanina mas mahirap yun eh, yung pabalik sa'yo. It was really a hard, I don't think, anyone can just go there. Kasi first, wala siyang direct na path papunta doon. It's behind huge boulders of rock. So, kailangan mo talaga mag sort of rock climbing. Pero I'm glad itong maliit namin, hindi siya natatakot. She was really standing up on top of the boulders and then crossing across one boulder to another na matatarik. So, galing. Good job. Ito napagod kasi dalawa yung ina-assist niya, ako tsaka si Daphne. Pero parang mas nahirapan siya sa akin. Sayang wala akong document kasi I don't think kaya ko ulitin yung ginawa ko. I'm not sure. We'll see. But it was a good experience, great experience. The wind is helping us recuperate kasi mainit. Late na kami nakarating eh, by 11 o'clock na. Now it's 1 o'clock. So we said we just need 10-minute rest. Pero from where we're at now, ang ganda rin ng mga rock formation. It's beautiful. It's nice to be out. I'll show. Yeah. There. And it's so quiet. Can you hear? So quiet as well.
Let's go.
10 minutes about. Wala pa eh.
Tara na.
Let's go na.